Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Murf AI server errors step by step. So if Murf AI keeps showing server error messages, fails to load projects, or stops processing voiceovers suddenly, yeah, this guide will help you troubleshoot the most common causes quickly. First, make sure your internet connection is stable and working properly. Murf AI depends heavily on cloud servers, so weak or interrupted internet can sometimes trigger server-related errors. Next, refresh the Murf AI page and wait a few seconds for the platform to reconnect properly. So, temporary server communication glitches can often fix themselves after a refresh. If the error continues, sign out of your Murf AI account and then log back in again. Account session problems can sometimes interrupt server connections. Now check whether Murf AI servers are currently down or under maintenance. Sometimes the issue isn't caused by your device at all, especially during high traffic periods or scheduled updates. You should also make sure your browser and operating system are fully updated because older software versions can create compatibility issues with AI platforms. If you're using a free or limited Murf AI plan, check your remaining credits and usage limits. Yeah, account restrictions can sometimes prevent projects from processing properly. When nothing else works, contact Murf AI support directly and include screenshots of the server error along with your browser and project details. Support can often detect account-specific issues much faster, and that's basically how to fix Murf AI server errors from start to finish. After trying these fixes, Murf AI should run much more smoothly and reliably again.